And she was crying, and she came and told me that there has been an accident. My name is Liis. I grew up in a non-Christian family, but my grandmother was a great believer, and she took me to the Sunday school. When I got older, then I started to go to the youth events at the church. But in some point I felt that I want to hang out with my non-Christian friends also. We attended different parties. I found out myself to try alcohol and cigarettes. But every time I felt that it's not for me. And in one moment in our lives where my both brothers and father and my boyfriend were working in the same place. They were restoring an old manor. One night my mother called me and said that there has been an accident, and she was crying, and she came and told me that my little brother, who was 16, and my boyfriend, they died in this accident. The big stone wall just collapsed. So this was like a turning point in my life, because I realized that we can't take anything for granted. And the other thing I realized that as far as we are living, we are having a hope. I had my best friend. She came and told me that, Liis, I saw a great video on YouTube, and very many Village of Hope guys are saying their testimonies there, and there is one great guy, Ragnar, and you should marry with him. And I was like, yeah, really? And so it went. I got married with Ragnar. Then I knew that I have to come to live in Paldiski. And this was a big challenge for me. And I remember the first time when I came here, and I was shocked. And I remember that when we got married, the next day we started to come back to Paldiski. And the nearer we got, the more I started to cry. And Ragnar was sitting behind me, and he was very confused because we just got married, you have to be a happy wife. And I was crying because I suddenly realized that I can't go back anymore. And this was a very scary moment for me. Now we have been living here for 12 years, and I really realized that this is a place where God has put us, and I don't want to go anywhere else.